square, and here this is a balanced equation. Now solution for this equation x square equals to a square is x equal to plus minus a. Why I am using both the signs? Because square